Alright folks, what we have here is a Volkswagen GTI. This is a 2015. The battery light on the dashboard came on. Then after that, it started to run funny. It actually stalled out. Or actually it died at the traffic light. Didn't really stall out, the motor was still running. But it wouldn't go in gear anymore, it wouldn't shift, you couldn't go in reverse. You were pretty much dead in the water. And when I went to shut it off, to reset it again, it didn't. The battery's completely stone dead. All right, so I got it to push over to the side. I changed the battery. You can see it in my other video. So now that the battery is in, we're able to take it home. We're going to check the charging system on it. And check this out. It's not charging. It's at 12 volts. It should be in the OK mark right there. It's actually the 12. So that explains why the battery died. But also the battery was 9 years old. So it's going to be time for an alternator. The alternator is right there. Alright. So, check out my other video. We'll see how we're going to change this alternator. Alright, looks like it bolts onto the side. But getting it out of this confined area will probably be the hardest spot. Probably move this bracket here with all these hoses. This might have to move a little bit with these brackets here, and we'll have to squeeze it out. Hopefully we don't break that little sensor over there too. All right, let's go out this way. We don't know. All right, that's it. Time for an alternator. Thanks for watching. Ciao.